Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Tile Tool Tuesday. In this quick 5-minute segment, we will be reviewing a high-end diamond blade for your grinder. This is a 5-inch Montolit diamond blade, model number STL125. And yes, it is absolutely amazing. Now, we have been using this diamond blade for 2 years now, cutting 90% hard porcelain. These diamonds are extremely durable and will outlast any other diamond wheel on the market. As usual, I will leave a link in the description below. We get these diamond blades from contractors direct. They run about $100. I know most of you guys are thinking $100 is a lot of money for a diamond wheel, but again, 2 years we've been using this one here. It still cuts like butter. This diamond wheel has outperformed any other diamond wheel we have ever used, and it's extremely versatile. This thing cuts clean and fast. It leaves a great finish. It also mounts to a standard angle grinder. There is no need for an adapter. Now, it advertises not to be an extensive linear cutting diamond blade, but I gotta tell you right now, we have ripped so many porcelain planks with this. We have cut so much granite, porcelain, ceramic, stone, you name it, and the diamonds are still good to go 2 years later. So let's bring the camera up close and show you this and then get right to cutting some material. Here we go. So here it is, the 5-inch diamond wheel by Montolit. As you can see here, you've got this sort of arbor flange that it screws and attaches to the angle grinder. It advertises here, porcelain and ceramic, granite and marble, as well as concrete. Let's open it up. And there is the wheel. I know a lot of you guys are thinking $100, that's gotta be a lot of money, but this thing will outlast any other diamond blade that you own. Without a doubt, no questions asked. It's lightweight, high quality diamonds. We'll quickly compare this to the other blade that we have been using for more than 2 years. So this one here is a 4.5 inch, this is a 5 inch. But as you can see, there are still a lot of diamonds on the rim of it. It still cuts like butter and a hot knife. It's great for notch cuts. It's great for mitering porcelain, ceramic, or stone, as well as scribing porcelain. I can still feel the diamonds almost as much as the new one. Of course, this one's a little more rough, but the diamonds on the edge, on the rim, are still there. They still exist. This still cuts great after 2 years of consistent daily use. Let's show you how to attach. You simply remove the nut and install just like this. All right, let's go outside and cut some material and show you how this beautiful, amazing, high-end diamond wheel works. Here we go. We will first quickly notch cut this ceramic. You simply hit that with a diamond pad or rubbing stone and you're good to go. We will quickly miter this edge of the marble. And there you go, quick miter. Keep in mind I'm rushing through this for demonstration purposes. Now let's quickly rip this porcelain plank as well as scribe it. Here we go. And there you go. A nice clean rip in a porcelain plank. This is fantastic for scribing porcelain because not only can you use the rim, you can also use the inner side of these diamonds to scribe out porcelain to accept the radius of a river rock. And there you go. This blade, quick and easy, will cut a radius out of very hard material such as hard porcelain planks. Well, there it is, guys. High-end diamond blade by Montolit. I can assure you, the quality justifies the high price. Once you buy this and use this, you will trash all of your other diamond blades. The quality is top-notch. The diamonds last a very long time, especially when you cut hard material such as porcelain like we do. It is one amazing diamond wheel for the tile industry. By Montolit, the STL 125. This one is the medium grit. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching this quick 5-minute segment. As usual, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button. Share this video if you know anybody who might find it interesting or useful, and I'll see you on the next one.